Hi, my name is Julia Mayberry, and I am doing my presentation on Ted Arnold. This author was born in Elmira, New York in 1949 and graduated from the University of Florida. His inspiration came from his two sons and the kindergarten class that his wife taught. His first books were rejected for about 6 years till finally a publisher picked up No Jumping on the Bed, which was the first book he ever had published. He was such a successful author that he got many awards, including all of these that I have listed down here that I will not go through, but I will let you look at. This is from one of his very popular books called Parts, and it says, "So now today I'm sitting here enjoying Dr. Seuss, and suddenly I realize a tooth is coming loose." This is a prime example of his illustration style and his writing style. This is also one of his very successful series. High Fly Guy was first rejected, and then once it was picked up and so successful, he was able to expand and go on to Fly Guy Meets Fly Girl, I Spy Fly Guy, and many more. The books that I studied of Arnold's are Parts, High Fly Guy Meets Fly Girl, More Parts, and No Jumping on the Bed. His first book, No Jumping on the Bed, was published in his early years of writing and illustrating, and that's the one on the left. And then the 25th anniversary edition of No Jumping on the Bed came out later, and it's very interesting to put the two illustrations side by side because you can really see how he changed and how he grew throughout the 25 years that he became a published author and illustrator. The right side is a perfect example of what most of his illustrations and his work looks like. This is a quote from Ted Arnold, and to sum it up, it says that all his life he's been drawing and painting, and the artistic aspect of it was more important to him than the written words were. But the more that he was able to write more books, he learned about the magic of the words and how a few pieces of the alphabet can create shape or change that really makes the whole story. And stories are what create pictures. Thank you for listening.